Rasor D86PS2 is an electrical single-phase cutting unit for textile, technical textiles, carpets, and leather, even in multiple layers up to 25 millimeters thickness. An LED indicator switch shows the connection to the power supply. A toolless variable finger protection fulfills highest standards of safety. With the half-automatic sharpening device, the blades can be reconditioned in between less than 10 seconds without dismantling. The Rasor D86PS2 is arranged with an anchor flange and a Teflon-coated base to be easily adjusted on fixed or automated hanger for O.E.M industrial applications. A 90-watt heavy-duty motor, in combination with extra-strong torque-optimized steel brass gears, warranties low maintenance and long durability. The machine cuts textiles, technical textiles, carpet, PVC, or leather with ease straight. The machine can be used for cutting edges and stripes as well as for cross-cutting. The cutting edge is clean and comfortable for further processing at your place of work. Blades in HSS steel and full hard metal quality with different shapes convert the Rasor D86PS2 into a universal single-phase cutting unit for all textile and technical textile industrial O.E.M applications. The delivery contains the D86PS2, an extra blade, accessories, and the CE declaration with QR code for technical documentation download. Dimensional 3D files are available on request. Contact us for further information.